Hey there, this is Heidi Hood with H2 Home Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to make upscale farmhouse Christmas ornaments on a budget. It's 4 easy steps, and if you stay tuned, I've even got a fun bonus idea for you at the end. Now, my secret for truly making these ornaments high-end is constructing them out of hardwood floor samples. I purchased those samples at my local big box store, and they're anywhere from maybe 22 cents to 42 cents a piece. And depending on the size of the ornament you create, you can get 1 or 2 ornaments out of each sample. You're also going to need jute or twine to hang your ornament. And then as far as tools go, I used 3 tools. I used a saw, I used a drill, and to save on some time, I used a sander. You can see here that I chose a nice, beautiful, warm oak as my flooring sample. Now the first thing you'll want to do is create an image that you're going to transfer onto your wood. Make sure that this image is appropriately sized for the shape and size of your piece of wood. Cut out that image, and then you're going to trace that image onto the back of your wood. Step number 2 is to cut your traced image out of your wood. Always make sure that you wear a mask, as hardwoods give off a lot of dust, and make sure that you're using a blade and a saw that are appropriate to the thickness of the wood that you're cutting. Step number 3 is to sand your ornaments. Now you can sand these by hand or use an orbital sander to save yourself some time. And step number 4 is drilling a hole in the top of your ornament so you can hang it. It's important in this step to make sure that the bit that you choose creates a hole that's big enough to feed your jute or your twine through. And finally, hang your ornament from a piece of jute or twine, or if there's a high-end ribbon that you just love, this would be a great place to add that special touch. And there you have it, beautiful high-end ornaments that are so simple to make, and they're not going to break the bank. These ornaments would look beautiful on your own tree, given as gifts in groupings of 1 or maybe 3, or if you're a shop owner, these would be great smalls to sell at your shop. And for that bonus idea I promised you, make yours chalkboard ornaments. These would be great ornaments to give as gifts to children or to give to those special teachers on your list. Now, to make this fun and playful twist on this ornament, I simply chose a flooring sample that had a black finish on it. And flooring is made to withstand wear and tear, so a little bit of chalk and a little bit of water is not going to harm it at all. So explore and see what your options are at the store. You just never know what you might come up with. I simply altered the design of my Christmas tree to simplify it a little bit, make it more childlike, and to actually create more room for the chalk itself. Now, as a mom or even a grandma, I can just imagine pulling these chalkboard Christmas ornaments out every single year and allowing my children to decorate them each year and then hanging them on the tree. And the cleanup of these ornaments is so simple, just a little bit of water on a paper towel and they wipe right up. Thanks for watching this video, and remember, you be the reason that somebody smiles today. Take care. Hey there, this is Heidi Hood with H2 Home Designs, and today I'm going to show you Hey, this is Heidi Hood with H2 Home Designs, and here comes a truck. Hey, this is Heidi Hood with H2 Home Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to make upscaled farmhouse. Thanks for watching today, and don't forget to subscribe to H2 Home Designs on YouTube, and make sure you hit the bell so you receive all the updates.